start the day. By the way, today we don't really have any news. Today is Monday, so we will start from the weekly, and then we will slowly move in the lower time frame. So let's see how this turn out. So as I have said last week, that it is very likely for us to react bearish because it is reacting from this order block, and then this one shifts the structure we have right now reached toward this area. It does that mean that we are going to move bullish? I don't think so unless I do get some confirmation in H4 and in daily. But for now, my next target is for weekly is going to be this low, swing low, and that's the whole thing. My expectation for the week is bearish, and I don't see any reason. I mean, if price has broken above this one, then I could have said that we are bullish. But for now, we are bearish in weekly, and when it comes to daily, it's sync with this low, and I'm not going to call the low for now. I am bearish in here as well. We do have something to keep in mind. Then we do have this order block at the top. Other than that, there ain't anything else for now. Now if I take a look at the h4 is the cleanest one, and this is the daily order block. After that, we do have this H4 fairly gap from which price has reacted and shift the structure, I would say, like this one. So from there on out, I do expect bearishness, and the target of the week isn't far away. It's like so close. How much is it? Let's see. Tools. Only 18 pips. Not something impossible to reach, but for day or two it might move like this and then move bearish. By the way, this week we do have NFP news. Sorry, not NFP, but CPI and PPI. Other than that, there ain't anything else for this week to keep in mind. And also another thing, if I took a look at the H4. By the way, my network is a bit slow. Another thing, if I zoom out this one and take a look at the left side, then you can see price is just recently swept this low, and after that it is right now trying to create some bullishness. So a pullback can be expected from H4 since it has taken the liquidity, but cannot say what is going to happen. So I'm going to focus on the bias, and that is bearish. H1 is also bearish. Now the thing is, if H1 managed to break above this one, we are going to be bullish toward this area, I suppose. But till now, I don't think so. We are pretty much bearish. If I want to manage it properly, then this is the order block we do have. We had the shift and the market structure shift, from which it is obvious to expect a bearish move in H1. And now here's the thing, daily open in here, price is still moving at above, my bias is bearish, everything is clicking in. I need a confirmation for price to move bearish. Has it been taken the liquidity? Yes, of course, we do have the liquidity in here. Now the thing is, I need something like more structure shift, and there ain't any order block other than this one. So the thing is, if price creates something like that from this fairly gap and move bullish, then shift, then that would be much better for me. Other than that, I don't see anything right now in this side. having the market structure shift in here, then move bearish from there. So that's the whole thing. Price is bearish, everything is clicking in. We do have this and everything else. Now if I take a look at the gold, there's no reason for me to look at the, okay, we had the break below from this area, which means that it is likely for price to move toward here. And also daily is bearish. H4 is also bearish. Nothing Nothing to say about this one. H1 is also bearish, and at the end comes the M15. So Euro USD has taken the liquidity, I mean swept it liquidity, but ZAR USD haven't taken yet. So yeah, just waiting by, and let's see how this one turn out. Like this. That's pretty much it for today. Let's see how it turn out.